Skillshare Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the Skillshare Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Skillshare Affiliate Program, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Skillshare, it is an online learning platform that specializes in creative skills, offering a diverse range of over 34,000 classes across various fields such as photography, graphic design, animation, writing, and entrepreneurship, in which Skillshare enables users to discover, take, and even teach classes, fostering a community-oriented learning environment. And the platform also emphasizes project-based learning, allowing students to engage actively with course content and share their work with peers for feedback. And now to start joining to the affiliate program, just proceed by scroll down until you find the footer section, and below, just proceed by clicking under this company section, affiliate program. By clicking on it or clicking the link on the description, you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the overview about the affiliate program of Skillshare. And as you can see, you can earn 40% commission or up to $67 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. So basically, Skillshare Affiliate Program offers several benefits for those looking to earn commissions by promoting the platform's online learning classes. And from here, if you also have other concern, you could also go to this frequently asked question, in which it will show you some other question, or you can contact them in their email address in here. And now to proceed joining to the affiliate program of Skillshare, all we need to do from here is simply click this join for free button right here. And upon clicking on it, we'll be directed on this page, in which it will show you that we'll also be directed under this impact.com, in which it is integrated by Skillshare. So from here, you can simply click this join the marketplace button, or alternatively, you could also directly go to impact.com, in which if you don't know this platform, it is a leading partnership management platform designed to streamline the creation, management, and optimization of various types of partnerships, including affiliate, influencer, and B2B collaborations. And the platform also offers a comprehensive suite of tools that enable businesses to discover and recruit partners, automate contract management, and analyze performance metrics effectively, in which it also provides an extensive marketplace that connects brands with potential affiliates partners. So all you need to do from here is to simply sign in your account on impact.com, then you will be directed on this page right here. So this is basically what the homepage looks like of impact.com, in which it will show you in here on the left side panel the search bar, that you can search anything in here, and also the notifications. It will help you to track any updates and any other option that you can start navigating on the left side panel. Moving on from here, you could also navigate on the top panel the home, brands, reports, and content. While under home, it will show in here some of the data and also some of the brand that you could also start promoting or also joining to the affiliate program. We have here Durable, Marvel, and many more. Well, you could also see here some other data including today's earnings, total pending, and your balances. However, from here to start joining to the affiliate program of Skillshare, just go to the brands and click Find Brands option. Upon clicking on it, we will be directed on this page, in which it will show you all of these brands that you could also start joining to the affiliate program. And also, from here you could see the featured All Brands, My Brands, while on the left side panel some of these categories that you could also select. However, to proceed, just go on the search bar and kindly search Skillshare, in which upon clicking enter, you'll be able to see the result. And by simply clicking on it, it will show in here other details about the affiliate program of Skillshare. From here, it will show you the country of its origin, some of the tags in here, and even the link of this. While on the right side, it will show you under promote section that you could also earn 40% in 30 days on first payment on your affiliate. And aside from that, under these details, by clicking on it, it will show in here some of the countries that are available to promote this kind of affiliate program. So it is basically some of the countries that you can choose to get your leads in your affiliate program of Skillshare. And below it will show you how they can track your affiliate program leads or referral, and below the program details such as the product catalog, open to replacement, and open to influencers. Then below it will also show you some of the external link of their Facebook, Instagram, their website, and also other details about their company. While on the left side panel below here, it will show you the description about the Skillshare, and below it will show you the preferred business models such as loyalty, rewards, network, deal, coupons, creator, and content and reviews. And below it will show you the percentage of the response, acceptance percentage, and funding status. However, from here to start applying to the affiliate program, just click this apply button to proceed. Or before that, on the top panel, you could also set this as your favorite. Send an email directly to them by filling out the subject and message content. And aside from that, even directly message them by clicking this message icon. But now to start applying, just click this apply button to proceed. In which upon clicking on it, it will show you on this pop-up window that all you need to do is to simply tell Skillshare why you want to work on this campaign. So you can tell here your reason briefly why you want to work as an affiliate on this affiliate program of Skillshare. But before applying, make sure that you also read and understand the Skillshare contract terms. By clicking this one, it will show you in here the terms and conditions that you need to understand before applying to the affiliate program of Skillshare. We have here the payout details, the schedule, action locking, qualified referrals, and many more. So basically, it is important to understand these terms since it outlines the right and obligations of both the affiliate and the company, ensuring clarity in how commissions are earned and paid. And now from here, after clicking the apply button, you will be able to see here the result in which your application is now currently pending or under review. So if you go under these brands, this applied, it will show you the applied programs or even the brand that you applied as an affiliate. And if you're eligible to be part of the affiliate program, they will send you an email. And after that, to start promoting, you could also go back on this page. And here, it will show you your tracking links or your referral link that you can use to promote this platform of Skillshare. After selecting your website or program, just click or copy these tracker links in here by clicking on it, in which that link you can share to your various social media platforms, in which you tailor your post to engage your audience, providing value, do informative content or promotions that encourage clicks on your links. So as you can see in here, you can send it directly to your Facebook, Twitter, and even to other platforms. Or alternatively, you could also use some other asset content by clicking this content and clicking this assets button, in which from here it will show you a variety of banner, image, videos, emails, coupons, and many more that you could also use to promote your affiliate links. And on the left side panel, you could also choose different kind of deal type that you prefer. So basically, you can simply embed tracker links in your blog post, newsletter, and other content. Or choose any kind of deal type in here that you prefer. We have here general sale, free shipping, gift with purchase, and many more. In which each content of this asset, you could also see here your tracker links. And aside from that, you could also include your tracker links in email campaigns, in which this can be particularly effective if you have a dedicated subscriber base interested in the products or services you are promoting. And if you also host a podcast or webinar, you could also mention your affiliate links during the session that include them in the show notes or chat section. And lastly, it is important to regularly analyze the performance of your tracking links to understand which strategies are most effective, in which you could use those data to optimize your promotional efforts continuously. So overall, that is just basically how you can join to the affiliate program of Skillshare. Thank you.